Making money, it is easy if, of course, you know how to invest it, where to invest it, and most importantly, when. I mean, let's be honest, timing is actually critical, which is why in this video, I'm going to share with you the best time to buy an established and profitable online business. So if you love passive income and want to see your capital grow, hit the like button and let's get down to business. And by the way, for those of you who do hit the like button, thank you so much. It does mean a lot. I really do appreciate it. As I said before, making money is easy if you know how to. Sure, I'm going to share with you how and when you should buy an online business in this video, but you should take action on what I've actually had to say in this video and learn how to buy a business. I have a bunch of free trainings and tools you can use that I will give you access to at the end of this video, but don't be that person that just watches a YouTube video or listens to a podcast or any piece of content and does nothing with the information when you know it lands and when you know it hits and you feel it's actually going to make a massive impact in your life. Make sure you follow it up, do some research, and get stuck in with it. So let's be real. Recessions. People freak out, right? They freak out because of all the doom and gloom news of a recession. Interest rates, are going up, inflation is going crazy, all these types of things. And people are just scared during a recession, right? People freak out. And it's not just a recession, but it's also, other tough times. And what happens during these tough times is that people start to hold on to their money and they want to just hoard cash. They want to put as much cash into their bank account as they possibly can because they're scared of what is going to happen in the markets. They're scared of things crashing. They're scared of them losing money. Meaning people do and are selling their businesses during these tough times so they can hold on to cash, which means for us, it's a great time to get into the market when people are selling for cheap because of the fears that they're having and holding on to. Secondly, just like in physical property investing, valuations of great online businesses are just going to keep going up and up and up. And they're going to continue to go up. I mean, who wouldn't want to buy an investment that makes 20 to 30% ROI per year and earn an income online? I mean, after the pandemic, we can see that everyone's not wanting to go back to work and they're wanting to work online so they can keep the same lifestyle they had during the pandemic and work from home because it makes their life better. And they want to be able to earn that income from online businesses. So more people would flock to buying profitable and established online businesses, which forces the prices of businesses up. So valuations are just going to continue to go up as more and more people turn to the internet to make money online, and we see the adoption happening faster and faster every single year. And thirdly, capital growth and compounding growth. The more age an asset is, the more valuable it can be. Think about it. An aged business has less risk and is more stable. This is what smart investors want. They want, to own a great business. And the longer you hold on to your business, the more capital growth you actually get from it. This is why we should be getting into the market as soon as we can, not just to get immediate cash back for our monthly passive income, which is excellent, right? But we don't want to be so short-term sighted. We want to play long-term games with long-term people where everybody wins. But to allow our businesses to build capital growth and compound over time, we need to get in now. Let's be honest. So when is the best time? I've just already answered that. The best time to get in is to buy an established and profitable online business today, not in the future, today. But of course, you don't want to take risks, right? You need to know what is the right type of online business for you to buy and how to buy it. So to do that, get my due diligence framework. It's what I and all of my clients have used to make millions of dollars and save millions of dollars from buying established and profitable online businesses. It takes the guesswork out of buying a business. So get that by clicking the link in the description, or you can watch my completely free 5-part YouTube playlist right here on YouTube. It's free, you don't have to go anywhere. It's on how I made my first $100,000 from buying passive websites. And you can get that by clicking the link somewhere here.